When it comes to survival in the wild, the right knife can make all the difference between thriving and struggling. From building shelters to preparing food, cutting wood, or defending yourself, a dependable blade is the most essential tool an adventurer can carry. In this part of our Ultimate Survival Knives series, we've handpicked 10 outstanding models available on Amazon in 2025. These knives are trusted by hunters, campers, bushcrafters, and military professionals for their durability, cutting power, and versatility. Let's dive into the top 10 blades built to handle the harshest conditions. The Gerber StrongArm Camp is a purpose-built fixed-blade survival knife designed for campers, bushcrafters, and outdoor adventurers who demand reliability in every situation. Unlike the Magnikit variant, this version is crafted from 420 high-carbon steel, offering a balance of edge retention, toughness, and easy sharpening in the field. Its 4.10-inch drop-point blade with a rugged stonewash finish minimizes reflections and helps mask scratches from heavy use. Built on a full-tang construction, the StrongArm Camp ensures durability and strength through repeated chopping, slicing, and batoning. The glass-filled nylon handle wrapped in a rubberized diamond texture grip provides superior control, even in wet or muddy conditions. At 8.98 inches overall and just for 0.8 ounces, it feels lightweight without sacrificing cutting power. A versatile compatible multi-mount sheath allows horizontal, vertical, or pack carry, making it adaptable for any setup. Proudly made in the USA and backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty, this knife is a trustworthy companion for serious survivalists. The Tops Knives Air Wolfe is a purpose-built survival and combat knife designed to serve aircrew and outdoor professionals who demand absolute reliability. Its 5.75-inch clip-point blade is crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel with Tops tactical gray powder coating, giving it excellent toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance while minimizing glare in the field. With a 0.19-inch thickness, the blade is stout enough for chopping, prying, and survival use, yet sharp enough for fine cutting tasks. The full-tang construction is paired with black G10 handle scales, contoured for comfort, and a non-slip grip, even in wet or gloved hands. Measuring 11 inches overall and weighing 11.5 ounces, it strikes the ideal balance between strength and packability. The Air Wolfe includes a ballistic nylon sheath with MUL compatibility and a length of paracord for emergencies. Rugged, versatile, and field-tested, this knife exemplifies Tops' reputation for professional-grade survival tools. The Schrade SCHF-55 Frontier Survival Knife is a compact yet capable fixed blade built for campers, hikers, and survivalists who need reliability without bulk. Its 3.5-inch drop-point blade is made from 1095 high-carbon steel, a material known for strength, edge retention, and easy field sharpening. A black protective coating adds corrosion resistance and reduces glare. The knife is full-tang, giving it durability for tasks like batoning, carving, or food prep. Measuring 7.5 inches overall and weighing just 6 ounces, it balances portability with ruggedness. The Grivery handle scales provide a secure, textured grip and include a lanyard hole for added versatility. A glass-filled nylon sheath with multiple carry options ensures quick, safe access in the field. Compact but tough, the SCHF-55 is well suited for bushcraft, backup use, or as an affordable everyday fixed blade, making it a dependable companion for both outdoor adventures and survival scenarios. The ESEE Model 5 is a beast of a survival knife, built for hardcore outdoor and tactical use. Designed with input from U.S. military SEER instructors, this knife is made to withstand extreme survival conditions. It features a 5-point to 5-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade with a tough powder-coated finish, ensuring durability, excellent edge retention, and resistance to harsh environments. The 0.25-inch thick full-tang construction makes it incredibly tough, capable of batoning through wood, prying, and other heavy-duty tasks. Its micarta handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, while the extended pommel can be used as a glass breaker or hammer. The knife comes with a Kydex sheath with a belt clip, ensuring easy and secure carry. Whether you're an outdoor survivalist, military personnel, or bushcraft enthusiast, the ESEE Model 5 is built to handle anything you throw at it. The Benchmade Anonimus is a premium fixed-blade survival knife designed for those who demand reliability in extreme conditions. Featuring a 5-inch drop-point blade crafted from CPM Crewware steel, it offers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for demanding outdoor and survival tasks. The gray Cerakote finish further enhances durability while reducing glare. Designed with functionality in mind, the Anonimus boasts a lightweight yet strong G10 handle with a textured grip, ensuring comfort and control even in wet or slippery conditions. The full-tang construction adds strength, making it capable of batoning wood, feather sticking, and other survival techniques. For easy carry, it includes a Kydex sheath with a ferro rod attachment, reinforcing its role as a survivalist's essential tool. Whether you're in the wilderness or preparing for any unexpected situation, the Benchmade Anonimus is a high-performance survival knife that won't let you down. Tackle any challenge head-on with the LionSteel T5B fixed-blade knife. This powerhouse tool is built to endure the toughest outdoor tasks, from cutting and chopping to prying. Featuring a 5-inch Nylock steel blade with a black stone-washed finish, the T5B offers exceptional edge retention and strength, making it the go-to knife for heavy-duty work. The black micarta handle integrates seamlessly with the full-tang design, delivering a rock-solid grip that ensures comfort during extended use. With an extended tang that doubles as a striker or glass breaker, the T5B adds extra functionality to your gear, making it more than just a blade. Packaged with a MUL-compatible leather sheath, the T5B is ready for any adventure. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or navigating the campsite, this knife will serve you with unmatched reliability and durability. For outdoor enthusiasts who demand the best, the LionSteel T5B is your ultimate companion. The Buck 660 for Alpha Hunter Pro is a premium fixed-blade knife designed for hunters and outdoorsmen who demand reliability in the field. It features a 3.63-inch drop-point blade made from CPMS 35VN stainless steel, known for its superior edge retention, toughness, and resistance to corrosion. The blade's stone-washed finish not only enhances durability, but also reduces glare during outdoor use. Its ergonomic handle is crafted from durable OD green canvas micarta, offering a secure and comfortable grip even in wet or cold conditions. Measuring 8.13 inches overall and weighing just 4.59 ounces, the Alpha Hunter Pro strikes a perfect balance between strength and portability. It comes with a high-quality leather sheath for safe, traditional belt carry. Built in the USA with Buck's legendary craftsmanship and backed by their forever warranty, this knife is both a trusted hunting companion and a dependable EDC option, blending functionality, durability, and classic Buck performance. The Off-Grid Stinger XL is a heavy-duty folding knife built for those who need maximum strength and cutting power in an EDC or tactical tool. Featuring a massive 4-inch blade crafted from tough 1.5 steel with a tumbled black finish, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for hard use. The wide drop-point design provides versatility for slicing, piercing, and rugged outdoor tasks. Its blade deploys rapidly with a flipper tab riding on smooth ceramic ball bearings, locking securely with a strong liner lock. The handle is constructed from textured G10 scales, ensuring a comfortable, non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Measuring 9.25 inches overall, the Stinger 40 is a full-sized powerhouse that feels solid in hand without being overly bulky. Complete with a deep carry pocket clip and ambidextrous design, it's a reliable choice for survival, tactical use, or everyday heavy-duty carry. The Cold Steel Bushman is a rugged fixed blade designed for serious outdoor and survival use. It features a 4.0 to 5-inch CPM Crewware steel blade, offering excellent edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The blade's practical drop-point profile with a flat grind strikes a perfect balance between carving precision and chopping capability. With a 7.75-inch overall length and weighing around 5.0 ounces, The Bushman is compact enough for mobility while remaining beefy enough for demanding work. Its full-tang construction ensures unmatched strength in harsh conditions. The ergonomic crushing Creighton handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, even when wet, while the integrated choil enhances fine control. Each knife comes ready for the field with a secure X-sheath, compatible with both horizontal and vertical carry systems. Simple, dependable, and built tough, the cold steel Bushman is a go-to survival blade for bushcrafters, survivalists, and campers who need reliable performance in the wild. The Condor Bushlore is a tried-and-true bushcraft knife, built for those who demand reliability in the wilderness. With its 4.3-inch 1075 high-carbon steel blade, it offers excellent edge retention and ease of sharpening, making it perfect for carving, batoning, and other survival tasks. The blade features a classic Scandi grind, which enhances cutting efficiency while maintaining durability. The full-tang construction ensures strength, while the beautifully contoured walnut handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even during extended use. To top it off, the Bushlore comes with a handcrafted leather sheath, offering both protection and easy access when you're on the go. Whether you're a seasoned bushcrafter or just starting out, the Condor Bushlore is a budget-friendly, no-nonsense knife that excels in real-world outdoor applications.